Mike Defoe.
Defoe, yeah.
He sells a lot of real
He
estate.
does.
Someone told me he's going to sell 20 million this year.
Yeah, it's a big.
Anyways, you know, I was doing one of these. And
Yeah.
he said something he shouldn't have. Oh, dude, you got to start over. Okay, so we're at, this is the sewer on 10 Mile. And we're at the main. See where it drops into the main there? We're out about 70 plus feet. And we're coming back down. There's a little mineral buildup in there, here and there. You can see the lumps in the side like that, bulges and things. That's minerals coming through the joints. So in this old clay pipe, there's a joint typically every 2 feet. Like there, see that joint? And minerals can come through some of them. Like there. It's kind of like stalactites in a cave. And that's pretty common. And really the only good way to get it out is power jetting, which we basically power wash the sewer line. Just snaking it won't do it. But this, there was just one place, yeah, there. That's the only place where it's really significant. You know, it's maybe like 50% blocked off. And some of it's soft. I think this one's soft because I pushed my camera head through there and I knocked some of it loose. And then some of it is really hard, and I think it just depends on the minerals in the ground. So some of it comes off pretty easily and some of it doesn't. There's just a little bit, there's some minerals coming through, and I see just a little bit of roots in it. I see some bubbles because I had to put soap in there so I could get out all the way to the main. It's hard to push it out that far. I had to go through like 4 turns. But that's about as good as it gets on an old sewer line. You really don't get much better than that. And I think we just went from clay pipe to cast iron. So that's the way they used to do it. They used to do cast iron under the basement floor and up close to the house, and then they switched to clay when they got out in the yard. That's a turn there. As you can see how rough that cast iron is inside. So when they advertise those flushable wipes on TV, I tell people, yeah, if you got nice PVC pipe where it's slick as glass inside, yeah, you could flush that down there, but not in this stuff. Flushable wipes and hair get stuck in that rough surface very easily. We'll see there's another turn. There's another turn. I was surprised I got through that many turns. If there'd been one more turn, it would have been it. Alright, so there's some white PVC pipe there, and I think that's where they put in the bathroom in the basement. I think we're under the bathroom basement right there, because we're only about 10 feet out right now from the clean out. So that's what you see there. And it turns back to old pipe. Put my soap suds in there. And we are out. There's the clean out. And there's the basement. There's the bear's head on the wall over there. Fireplace. Just so you know I'm actually in your house. And that's it.